If Microsoft Edge is giving you a login error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. This is a simple step-by-step guide you can follow even if you're not very technical. We'll clear the browser data, check Edge settings in Control Panel, and then try a private window to see if the login works there. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is clear the cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. This step fixes a lot of sign-in issues because old or corrupted browsing data can stop websites from authenticating properly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure the time range is set to all time if you want the most complete cleanup, and then select cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. If you want, you can leave passwords and autofill unchecked so you do not remove saved login details. Once you've selected the right options, click Clear Now. After that, close Edge completely and open it again. Now try signing into the website one more time and check whether the login error is gone. If you're still having trouble, the next step is to go into Control Panel and check Microsoft Edge settings. Open the Start menu, type Control Panel, and launch it. From there, look for the Program Settings or Installed Apps section depending on your version of Windows. Find Microsoft Edge, right-click it if that option is available, and choose the Modify or Change option if you see it. In some cases, Windows will let you repair or update the browser from here, which can fix broken files or settings that are causing the login problem. Follow any on-screen prompts and let the process complete before trying again. Once that's done, restart Edge and test the login again. If the issue is still happening, the next very useful test is to open the website in a private window. Private mode is helpful because it starts a fresh session without using your existing cookies, cache, or saved site data. To do this in Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner and choose New in Private Window, or use the shortcut Control, Shift, and then go to the website that is giving you the login error and try signing in from there. If the login works in private mode, that usually means the problem is caused by cookies, extensions, or stored data in your normal browser session. In that case, you may want to clear site data for that specific website or disable browser extensions one by one to find the cause. If it still doesn't work, try restarting your computer and checking for Windows or Edge updates because an outdated browser can sometimes trigger login issues too. Most of the time though, these three steps will solve the problem. Clear the cookies and cache, check Edge and Control Panel, and test the site in a private window. If this video helped you fix the Microsoft Edge login error, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.